Hi there, Kira here with the January Citrus Twist kit. So I have the main kit, embellishment kit, and the pocket life kit to show you guys today. So I'm gonna start with the papers in the main kit. You get this little page of like a vintage book included, so that's gonna be fun for layering. This is Good Vibes crepe paper, and this is Girls Night. So it's got kind of this like word searchy looking paper. I wonder if there's actually words on here. Anyways, this side is just like a pink with it's like a purpley blue color, little like paint swipes, I guess. This one I love. This is Pink Paisley Wild Child, paper number 5. I think these flowers are so cute. The reverse side is this really pretty geometric pattern. This one's also from Good Vibes. This one's called Life Goals. So it's got kind of this little leaf pattern on this side, and then the reverse pattern is a pink, I don't know, schedule, calendar. It's cute. I like that. This one is from Schmel Glitter Girl. This one is called Run Wild. So it's got the unicorns on this side, and then on the reverse side is just a geometric triangular pattern. And then the branding strip is really cute. It's little cameras. This one is Pink Paisley from Paige Evans' Turn the Page, and this is paper number 10. Really pretty. And then this is the Citrus Twist exclusive paper, and this one's called Off the Grid. So this side has kind of a geometric pattern, and in the little centers there's hearts, if you can notice that. And then the reverse side is super cute. It's got these little tiny stars and a gray background. So that's really cute. And then you always get your two pieces of white cardstock, textured cardstock. Onto the embellishments. There's a Citrus Twist exclusive stamp. So this one says celebrating today, around here, the story documented, currently doing itinerary, let's go on the agenda, and then rated with a date and a numbers area. The crepe paper Good Vibes frames. So there's 4 frames in here. I'll go ahead and open them up. So they're chipboard frames. Are they sticky on the back? No. So chipboard frames, I guess it's this side. And they've got little palm trim around them, which is super cute. So you get 4 of those. Oh, I like the grid on that one. And the glitter's cute too. Those. Citrus Twist exclusive phrase stickers. I love the yellow here. And they've always got cute little sayings. I'd love to, but unfortunately, no. Yeah, so that's really cute. And then this little arrow paper clip is really cute too. Exclusive cut apart sheet. And all the labels and stuff kind of go with the colors of this kit. These stickers are the High Five stickers, and these are from the Good Vibes collection. And I'm really excited to get these because I think they're super fun font. Love those. These are the Maggie Holmes Carousel chipboard stickers. So these are cute. That's what they look like. Some more pom-pom trim, which is really fun. So it's just a white pom-pom trim. And then the Good Vibes ephemera pieces. Just show those up close. Super cute. And then you get cork pieces in here too, which I love. I think that's really fun. Okay, now on to, let's do the embellishment kit. So we've got the Good Vibes chipboard here, which is really, really fun. Lots of bright colors and like a fun little like theme with it. So I really like that. The flower is really pretty. French fries are always great. And then puffy stickers from Wild Child, which these are really cute too. I like the little cat with glasses. And then I heart rainbows, love ice cream. Really cute. And then all these washi tapes, which are adorable. So I kind of, and I'm not sure what collection these are from. I'll have to look that up and maybe I'll put it in this video in a little text below. But I love these birds. I think those are super cute. This one is some butterflies. Black and white butterflies, if you can see that. This one, okay, this one says Blossom to Awesome, and it kind of alternates colors there. This is like craft with like gold arrows. That's so pretty. Love that. This one's gorgeous too. The floral, so pretty. And this one's kind of a rainbow colors with like a little swooshy pattern. That's a technical term, swooshy pattern. And then this is like a gold foiled little, I don't know, geometric pattern. Not really geometric, it's just a pattern on there. So those are that's the washies that are included in the embellishment kit. Those are here. Now onto the Pocket Life kit. Alright, so just jump right into it. Get some cute, cute, cute cork hearts. Love those. Citrus Twist exclusive ephemera, which is really cute. I like the nap. The florals are really pretty. The little asterisks are really cute, and the leaves. Those are really, really fun to use. And then lots of little tags and labels and stuff. That's cute. Got some more exclusive phrase stickers, which again with cute little kind of snarky phrases. Exclusive puffy stickers, which is really, really cute. Another vintage book page. Some magenta alphas, which are amazing. Look how cute those are. I love that color. So here's the cards. These are the 3x4 cards. And these are exclusive to Citrus Twists. So this one says 2018. And some ampersands. Those are really cute. Start somewhere. Evening routine. Oh, how cute are these little houses? I love it. Little stripes on the back. Those houses are too cute. Thumbs up, this was so good. And a little heart locket on the back. A little, I don't know, little grass clumps, I guess. This is home. That's cute too. A lifetime isn't enough to love you. And a little kind of like plaid pattern on the back. This one's got like a little quote box up top, which is kind of cute. And it says, let's do what we love and do a lot of it. And then this says, must make, and you can either check memories, coffee, messes, cookies, time, or goals. The back says genius with some journaling lines. Noted, it's a great time for great new beginnings. I love this floral, that's really pretty. Morning routine on the back side. This is really cute, the little dots around it and the grid pattern in the center. And then weekend with some journaling lines. Loving, needing, wanting, that's cute. And you are the very best at being you. Okay, so then these are the papers and the 4x6 cards. So the first one says, it's on, it's time to make the magic happen. And the back side, ooh, love these florals. 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Fresh and new, it's the beginning of anything you want. And then just kind of a grid on the back. Exclusive cut aparts, again, they're pretty similar to the ones that are included in the main kit. And then you get half of a pack of the Good Vibes 6x6 paper pack. So just kind of flip through these really quickly. And that is the Pocket Life Kit. You'll also get an exclusive stamp that's included in the Pocket Life Kit. I just haven't received mine. But that is everything that I have got in my Citrus Twist kit for the month of January. So make sure that you check them out. I'll link them down below. And thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.